Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, tap on the option called watch face and time, and here scroll down, and as you can see we have two options, time format and date format. First let's tap on the time format, and right here we can select the format of our time, and we have 12-hour, 24-hour format and the follow phone option. If you select 12 hours, you will have the 12 hours format. If you select 24 hours, you will have the 24-hour format, and if you select follow the phone, it will basically mirror the phone with which your watch is paired. Okay, select the one you like, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back. Next we have the date format, and here we can select the format of the date, and we have year first, a month second and day last, day first, a month second and the year last, and the day first. Oh no, this one was this is a month first, my bad, day second and the year last. So select the one you like and tap on it to select it, and once you're done you can swipe right on the screen or press the upper button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you change the date and time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.